Do you know ADA compliance is getting more and more relevant day by day, as 97.4 of the top 1 million websites are not ADA compliant? So, it's fair to say that your ignorance can cost billions of dollars, as having non-ADA and GDPR compliant websites brings huge consequences along with it, and that the primary reason why marketers and top business brands are not leaving a stone unturned to keep their business websites 100% compliant in order to avoid paying thousands of dollars on costly lawsuits and hiring expensive lawyers. Still thinking ADA and WCAG compliance mandatory? Approximately 20 million Americans have visual impairments, accounting for 8% of the total population in the USA, reported by Georgetown University. Businesses and brands having websites and web apps without ADA compliance have faced lawsuits and ended up losing approximately $6.9 billion in revenue, reports the Bureau of Internet Accessibility. 15% of the world's population has some sort of disability. 90% of websites are inaccessible to people with disabilities who rely on assistive technology. 98.1% of homepages had detectable WCAG2 failures. 59.6% of the U.S. population with disabilities were living in a household with internet access. 23% of disabled respondents say they never go online. In the U.S., there are currently about 56.7 million Americans with a disability. Around 80 million people in the European Union, the EU, currently have a disability. So, you can't take this lightly at all and waste even a single second thinking how to save thousands of dollars that could be wasted due to costly lawsuits. I know you've started shivering thinking about the risks associated with non-compliance for your business websites in some way or the other. Now, just imagine, what if you had access to a never-seen-before artificial intelligence-based technology that keeps your business websites 100% compliant without paying thousands of dollars? And with all this, say goodbye to turning your hair gray from the countless risks associated with non-compliance, and even without doing any grunt work yourself. Yes, we're elated to mention that after investing thousands of dollars and spending months in research, we've come up with a groundbreaking technology that leaves all the hassles behind and helps you save thousands of dollars that could be charged by greedy lawyers. Presenting ADASuite, the most advanced website accessibility software that ensures complete ADA, WCAG, and GDPR compliance and removes all threats of getting sued by making your personal and professional websites 100% compliant with just a line of code. Just follow 3 easy steps. Step 1, log in. Step 2, create campaign. Step 3, embed and ensure 100% compliance. Check out some of its amazing features. Avoid costly lawsuits and fines and save thousands of dollars for non-compliance. Protects yourself from incessant lawsuits with Accessibility Policy Statement Creator. Expand your reach and tap into a vast new market of potential customers who deserve equal access. Let AI generate policies and legal document for your business to avoid costly lawsuits. Improve websites' overall usability and user experience. Let our accessibility experts manage everything even when not available. Expand your appeal to a significant segment of the population. Save thousands of dollars that could be wasted by getting sued or through legal threats. Never fall prey to expensive lawyers or costly lawsuits. Get higher SERPs and make your site more likely to be found by search engines. Build more trust and confidence by creating testimonials and FAQs for your site or products. Build goodwill and a positive reputation within the community. Convert text-to-speech in 60+ languages spoken globally. Save over $5,000 yearly and kick out dependency on third parties completely. Intuitive desktop application designed for new and experienced users alike. Make passive income monthly by providing high in-demand services to hungry business owners globally in 3 clicks. 100% newbie-friendly technology with easy-to-use dashboard and tons of other benefits in store. Now, I'm sure all those benefits would have left you amazed, but hurry! Don't let this massive opportunity of realizing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money and time and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action now. Also, only for the early action takers, ADASuite comes loaded with exclusive launch-only bonuses worth thousands of dollars completely for free. But hurry, once this special time period is over, ADASuite will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab your copy of ADASuite today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.